by default when you take a screenshot. The status bar and navigation bar also captured. If you want to hide it, just follow the steps. To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Advanced Features. Tap on it. Then select Screenshots and Screen Recording. Here you will see the option, Hide Status and Navigation Bars. Simply tap the slider to enable this. Now exit from the settings. And take any screenshot. And you will see, the status and navigation bars are no longer captured in the screenshot. So in this way, you can hide status and navigation bars in screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.